Hello friends! Today I'm going to teach you a skill called tabs. This is a way you can cut cardboard to make your structure stand up tall. So you want to get a thin cardboard box. I'm using a cookie box, but you could also use a cereal box, pizza boxes, anything that's a thin cardboard so it's easier for you to cut. Then you're going to look around your box to find the seam. That's where the box is glued together. And you're going to carefully pull it apart at that seam to open up your cardboard. All right, now I'm going to cut off a section. Make sure I hold my scissors the correct way. Put my two fingers through the big hole and my thumb through the small hole. And I'm going to cut with the cardboard all the way to the back of the throat of the scissors. Now that I have my piece of cardboard, I'm going to start to create my tabs. So I'm going to get a marker. You can use a pencil or a crayon, whatever you have to write with. And I'm going to do a dotted line, but you could do a solid line if you want. And I'm just going to go up a little bit up my cardboard. Not quite halfway. Now I'm going to take my scissors. I'm going to cut my dotted line. But I'm only going to cut my line. I'm not going to take my scissors all the way up my entire piece of cardboard. So now I have two little separate pieces that kind of look like legs. So now we're going to fold them opposite directions. So I'm going to flip one, fold it over, flip the other, fold it over, and it kind of looks like my cardboard's doing the splits. But now my cardboard will stand up on its own.